transform them into digital files so you can play them on your TV or your computer. All you need is a VCR and an analog to digital converter, which allows you to hook your VCR into your computer via a USB cable. The one I've been using for years is a Blackmagic video recorder. They don't make it anymore, but you can still find them on eBay. And there are others on the market as well. I'll put some links in the description below. There are 5 cable leads. The red and white are the audio leads, and the other 3 are a component video signal, which is a professional format, which you won't have with VHS transfers. What you really want is the green connector, because that will connect to your video cable. These cables are the inputs that you connect your VCR to. The output, which comes through the converter box and goes into your computer, is a simple USB connector. I also use a USB extension cable just to give me a little bit more room to plug into my computer. Now the first thing you do is find the video outputs from your VCR and plug your RCA cables into the outputs. The yellow is for the video signal, and that goes to the green connector on the Blackmagic converter. The white and the red will connect to the left and right channels of your audio. If your VCR has an S-video out, definitely use that, because that will give you a better signal for transfer, and you're going to need an S-video cable if you want to go that route. Then connect to the USB port on your computer and open the software that came with your converter.